In this video, we're going to use a binomial expansion to approximate a fraction. The question reads, the binomial expansion of 1 plus 4x all to the power of -1 up to the term x cubed is 1 minus 4x plus 16x squared minus 64x cubed. The expansion is valid for the absolute value of x less than 1/4, and we're asked to use this expansion to approximate 25 over 27 and give our answer to 4 decimal places. The key question is what value of x makes the expansion equal to 25 over 27. So I'm going to rewrite the fraction. 25 over 27 is the same as 1.08, and that's the same as 1 over 1 plus 0.08, which is the same as 1 plus 0.08 all to the power of -1. Now I'm going to compare this with the expansion, which has 1 plus 4x all to the power of -1. So we need 4x to equal 0.08. Dividing both sides by 4 gives x equals 0.02. Here I'm checking is 0.02 less than 1/4, and it is, so it makes the expansion valid. Now I'm going to substitute x equals 0.02 into the expansion. So we get 1 minus 4 times 0.02 plus 16 times 0.02 squared minus 64 times 0.02 cubed. Working through this, we get that equivalent to 0.925888. To 4 decimal places, that's 0.9259. So the answer is 25 over 27 is approximately 0.9259 to 4 decimal places.